Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your PC and Xbox are on the same network and you're signed into the same Microsoft account. Once done, enable remote features on the console, settings, devices and connections, remote features, so the console accepts remote commands. Then open the Xbox app on Windows. Use Tab to move focus to the Connect or Consoles icon and Enter to open the connection pane. This begins the keyboard-driven control path that lets you reach the power options without a controller. With the app open, select your console using arrow keys and press Enter. You'll see a session or control pane. Once connected, press Tab repeatedly until the three-dot menu or power control is highlighted. This is how the keyboard accesses contextual actions. Use arrow keys to move to the power option and press Enter to reveal choices like sleep or turn off. Move to turn off console and press Enter. The app sends the command over the network, so wait a few seconds for the shutdown to initiate. Once you select turn off, give the console 10 to 30 seconds to fully power down. Watch the front LED or TV input. If nothing happens, make sure remote features remained enabled and that both devices use the same Microsoft account. Sign out and back in to refresh the connection. If the command still fails, reboot your router and PC, check that the Windows firewall isn't blocking the Xbox app. Then reconnect and try again. This network check resolves most failures when using a keyboard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.